after visiting Dr. Ankita, I was astonished to actually know when she explained me the relationship between the airway, clenching, jaw growth, and how that could actually affect my joint and then cause symptoms across my body. And that was something that I was really interested in, and something that really shocked me, because I think it is incredible how something so small can actually play such a big role in like a tongue tie can play such an important role across the functioning throughout the body.